On a crowded late shift, a celebratory text meant for a coworker lands with a stranger, sparking immediate curiosity. The stranger replies with polite questions, and the sender doubles down, inventing a fake achievement to save face. Soon the chat spills into a tiny public thread, revealing misread names, quirky jobs, and unexpectedly warm responses. When the real recipient finally appears, laughter erupts as both sides admit the mix-up and swap stories. What began as embarrassment ends as a funny bridge between strangers, a reminder to pause before typing.